So today we need to exchange the PTO belt on the Ventrac. You can see here that there's a chunk missing. That's about the only one that I've seen, and we will actually see if there's something else wrong with it elsewhere. And let's take it off. We have to take the shield off too. And there's a nut behind it. Ventrac, please make that threaded. No need for a nut. Especially a locking one without nylon. Okay, I needed to change to a different camera because it's kind of tight in here. But this pin right there and washer, as well as the arm for the tensioner, needs to come out. I'll drop the washer. I just did. Once you've done that, you can then take this piece away from this one. You just slide this piece outward. Just like that. It's kind of tricky how you have to do this one. You have to lift up while kind of walking the belt away from it. Once it's free, all you have to do is lift it up, and over, and you're good to go. Okay, and looking at the belt, I have some damage there. A lot of side glazing, probably when it got loose and was still running. And then this one right here, when it starts to tear across that line, it doesn't take much for the actual steel belting inside to come apart. And since I didn't have any official Ventrac ones, I found this at a local repair shop. It's a B38. To put the new belt on, just reverse the steps. Put on that washer you dropped. Put back in the spring clip, hairpin, whatever you want to call it. And put the front guard back on. Alright, that should do it. Quick and easy. I know the 4500 series is a little tougher than that because you can't take off that grill. The clip for the tensioner is a little bit tough to get a hold of, so we'll see how this belt does. Like I said, it's the only thing that I had access to since it's the weekend and I needed to use the machine today, so I'll let you know how this one works out. Thanks for watching.